Updating your legal profile on Western Union Digital is essential for ensuring your information is accurate and up to date. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in a menu or under your account name, allowing you to access your personal information. Step 3. Select Legal Profile. In the Profile settings, look for the option labeled Legal Profile or Personal Information. Click on this option to view your current legal details. Step 4. Update your information. Review the existing information and make any necessary updates. This may include changes to your name, address, or other legal details. Ensure all information is accurate and complete before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your legal profile, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily keep your legal profile updated on Western Union Digital. Regular updates help maintain the accuracy of your account and ensure a smooth transaction experience.